everyone. So today we have a big sensation available at MedLinks. 6 times world champion, Olympic medalist and a Padma Vibhushan winner, Miss Mary Kom. Ma'am, you're most welcome to MedLinks.
Hi, this is Mary Kom. I'm here today for hair transplants. Let's fight again for hair loss.
So first of all, thank you so much, ma'am, the national pride, national treasure, for coming to MedLinks. I'll just explain you what we are going to do. So the ma'am's concern was a little bit of hairline recession. So we plan to frame the face slightly like this. When all this area where the forehead is looking slightly broad, everything will get sorted now. Also, the partition, right, which has gone slightly broad, and of course we'll be working on it medically to save and improve the existing hair, but because medicines cannot grow new hair, so in all this area will be growing new hair, and little bit of work will be done on the top. All these areas here, which is your concern, will be sorting it. So it's not just men who get a hair transplant done, women also do, hair transplant. Modern hair transplant is for women also, and this is what we are doing it for you, ma'am.
Oh, thank you, doctor. I'm so excited.